We are back at the O2 Intercontinental in Greenwich, London for Britain and Ireland Marketplace 2025. This event showcases the best of British and Irish product. I'm back with my mini mic, so let's go around, have a little chat to people and see what they're getting up to. I am here with Doro from Tour Partner Group. Can you tell me a little bit about Tour Partner Group?
So Tour Partner Group is a DMC specialized for UK and Ireland and the Nordics. We do FIT groups and mice. We have offices in Dublin, London, Edinburgh and Copenhagen.
That's great. So I have a few questions for you. My first question is, what can't you leave home without when it comes to packing for a trip?
My rings.
Your rings?
My rings. It sounds really bad, but I feel somehow I've lost something.
No, I agree. You feel a bit naked without your rings. They're part of your identity.
Correct.
What is the most annoying thing about the travel industry?
Oh, that would be unreliability.
Oh, yeah. Oh, gosh.
So, you know, if you book a trip and you're excited and then something doesn't work as planned. Could be the airline, could be the train, could be the hotel.
I was going to say, also the natural elements. We were very close today to having a bit of a massive problem with the weather, so we're very lucky that we're all here today safely. And my final question is, what was your favourite road trip you've ever been on?
Oh, that was the most recent one, very spontaneous in Arizona.
Beautiful.
Right, it was the scenery, the weather, obviously.
Of course.
Right, like 40 degrees.
My goodness, a bit of sun.
Exactly.
Have you got any more planned coming up?
No, not at the moment.
Okay.
But I'm traveling a lot anyway, so.
Very nice. Well, it's been so great to talk to you.
And you,
I hope
thank
you had a wonderful day, and hopefully we'll see you very soon.
Brilliant event. Thank you so much. Thank you.